The following is brought to you by Waves of Memories Travel. Contact Waves of Memories Travel for all your travel needs, specializing in Disney and Universal Studios family vacations. Be sure to subscribe, ring that notification bell, and hit that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Thank you.
Welcome to the Travelers Tavern, brought to you by Waves of Memories Travel. For this episode, we are going to be making the Very Berry Punch. This Thanksgiving cocktail can be found at Raglan Road at Disney Springs. For this drink, you will need wild berry vodka, raspberry liqueur, peach schnapps, grenadine, as well as orange juice and cranberry juice. We're going to start with our wild berry vodka and pour out 1.5 ounces. Next is the raspberry liqueur, 1/2 ounce. Now we have the peach schnapps, also 1/2 ounce. We have 1 ounce of grenadine. One ounce of orange juice. And finally, 2 ounces of cranberry juice. We are going to just cap off our shaker here. Give it a little shake. Then pour over ice. There you have it, the Very Berry Punch from Raglan Road at Disney Springs. Cheers. To try it yourself, visit Waves of Memory Travel for a free, no obligation quote. Happy Thanksgiving.
Wishing you and your families a happy and healthy Thanksgiving from Waves of Memories Travel.